As spring approaches, we turn our attention to preparing the garden beds that will soon become home to vibrant plants. The goal is simple: to create a bed rich in nutrients and filled with thriving microbes. With a few straightforward steps, this transformation can be achieved, setting the stage for a productive growing season. The process begins by addressing what's already on the garden bed. Old plants and weeds must be dealt with first. The weeds, being competitors for nutrients, are carefully removed, while the remains of previous plants are handled differently. Instead of discarding them, they are cut into small pieces and scattered evenly across the bed. This simple act starts the process of returning organic material to the soil, enriching it naturally over time. It's important to leave the roots of the plants undisturbed. Hidden within the root balls are colonies of beneficial microbes that play a critical role in maintaining healthy soil. By preserving these microbes, we ensure the soil remains alive and fertile. Once the plant material is spread, the next step involves adding a layer of decomposed manure or compost. This addition is vital because it brings not only nutrients, but also an abundance of microbes that will assist in breaking down the plant material. Compost or manure is nature's way of delivering balanced nourishment to the soil. Rich in essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, this layer helps improve soil texture and structure. Over time, it integrates with the chopped vegetation, creating a dynamic ecosystem that supports plant growth. With the compost layer in place, the focus shifts to an essential supplement: bone meal. This fine powder, derived from natural sources, is sprinkled generously across the bed. Bone meal is an excellent source of phosphorus, which is crucial for developing strong roots. Plants rely on robust roots to access water and nutrients from the soil, making this step indispensable. Bone meal also provides calcium, another key nutrient that strengthens the plant's cell walls. This slow-releasing amendment ensures the soil remains enriched for months, delivering steady nourishment as the plants grow. The final step involves covering everything with mulch. Mulch serves as the protective blanket for the soil, safeguarding it from extreme weather conditions. For this purpose, sawdust is used. Spread evenly over the bed, sawdust forms a layer that keeps the soil cool on hot days and insulated during chilly nights. This stability is essential for the microbes introduced earlier, as they thrive best under consistent conditions. Additionally, the mulch acts as a barrier against weeds, minimizing their growth and helping maintain a tidy garden bed. Over time, the sawdust itself breaks down, adding yet another layer of organic matter to the soil. As these layers settle and interact, the transformation of the garden bed becomes evident. The once barren soil is now a thriving environment, rich in nutrients and teeming with life. The plant material decomposes, the compost delivers nourishment, the bone meal strengthens the soil's mineral content, and the mulch preserves it all while slowly contributing to the organic matter. When spring arrives, this preparation will pay off in abundance. The soil will be ready to support strong, healthy plants, giving them the best possible start to their growing season. From the roots buried deep in the ground to the leaves reaching for the sky, every part of the plant benefits from this thoughtful groundwork. This method is more than just a way to prepare soil. It's a sustainable approach that works in harmony with nature. By using materials already available, such as plant cuttings, compost, and sawdust, we create a system that reduces waste while enhancing the garden's fertility. Each step plays a role in building a healthier, more productive growing environment. For those who value simplicity and effectiveness, this approach is a perfect fit. By investing a little time and effort now, the rewards will come throughout the season with vibrant plants and bountiful harvests. The process connects us to the rhythms of the natural world, reminding us that good soil is the foundation of any thriving garden. As spring draws closer, there's excitement in knowing the garden is ready. For more tips and ideas on how to grow a better garden, explore the resources we've shared. And remember to subscribe, like, and share to stay connected with more helpful techniques and inspiration. This season is just the beginning of what's possible.